Good morning. I am just waking up on the first day, full day of my visit to San Francisco, and I'm in my hotel room getting ready to eat. I have some bananas and stuff I got at Target yesterday. I wasn't sure if they were gonna have any food service here for breakfast, so I decided to get food so I didn't have to get here, and then we're not going to have anything because of the pandemic or whatever is going on. And then I have to like rush out to get something to eat, Denny's or something. There's a Denny's around here. I was thinking about that too, but I don't really want to spend a lot of money on food. I may go down there and see if there's any beverages like orange juice or milk or something like that, and bring it back, or maybe something else. Stock up on food. Free food is always good. I love free food. It's not really free. I mean, you kind of pay for it. I think I paid it was like $80 for the hotel. It's pretty low for San Francisco standards because really a lot of people are not traveling during these times. So I think I paid like under $300 for the all 3 nights. So that's a pretty good deal. So I'm gonna go have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna upload a video that I did yesterday and see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably head out pretty soon to go to the Golden Gate Bridge and to the Golden Gate National Park, take some scenic shots. I may even stop at some retail stores and thrift stores to do some sourcing. I do buy and sell on eBay and Amazon, so I'm definitely gonna be going to those stores like Target and then Marshall's, Ross, TJ Maxx. I do have to buy some things for myself that I left at home, so I'll probably go to a Target for that. So I did go down there and see what they had. They gave me two brown bags for breakfast. They assumed I had 2 people in the room. The earplugs for because it kind of gets. I like to bring them to hotels just in case it gets kind of noisy, and so I'm able to sleep. So I'm gonna open these up and see what's inside. Okay, so it looks like they give you some low-fat milk and Lucky Charms. Me Lucky Charms. Okay, and then they actually give you a nut with a bakery fig bar. Pretty much it. It's pretty basic. It's a good thing I brought some food. Brought some like cuties and bananas and some blueberry muffins. What I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna keep these and bring these home with me, so I can. I'll probably drink the milk and just keep them for later when I'm at home. Free food is not bad at all. I'll just go down there every day and get it. So I opened up bag number 2. It looks like it may be different here. So I got milk. Gonna get some a little Chewy bar, Chewbacca, Chewy, and then Cheerios. Yep, Cheerios. Okay, I'm just gonna keep these for later. Why not? I don't like drinking the warm milk. I'm just gonna bring it home with me for later. Okay, I'm gonna put these 2 milks in the fridge we have here, just because I want to have cold milk. I don't like drinking warm milk. So we'll have them in here just in case I want to have the cereal probably tomorrow. So I'm just looking at the tolls for the Golden Gate Bridge to drive over. The tolls, I'd be paying by license plate one-time payment, $8.40. I was thinking about maybe driving around and driving over the Oakland Bay Bridge, which is the other bridge going into San Francisco. It's about $5, but of course I'm driving around, taking more time to drive around, so it may not make sense. I may just pay the toll and go back over it one time. So that's just looking at it. I can just pay by plate after I go over it. I think they give you a certain amount of time to do that. So I got the car loaded up. Yeah, it's you see, I don't know if you can see, but there's ash on this car. It's like, yeah, I wish it were better. Ashy ash, not that great. all the fires going on. I hope they go away soon. So I just stopped at Target to get some water. I'm gonna be heading over to the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge right now. Going to the Golden Gate National Park, which is on the other side of San Francisco. Takes me about 30 minutes to get there. Also got some other retail arbitrage stuff as well. So I'm not really gonna talk about it that much. It's a bolo. It's a secret. So I'm gonna be heading out to the next place. So we're waiting to go through this tunnel right here. It says about 5 minutes red lights. So you gotta just take our time and just wait. Just waiting for the traffic to go through. It's only a one-wayer, so it's gonna alternate between ways. So we are overlooking the Golden Gate Bridge right now. Wish it was a better view. I think we got a lot of fire going on in California. So I'm gonna go check out Sausalito. It's like a little town on the other side of San Francisco. Nice little town right by the bay. Okay, so I'm at the Panda Express, about to go in and get some lunch. Probably gonna go inside and order it, and I gotta eat it. I can either eat it outside if there's any seats available, or I can just eat it in my car. I can't really eat it in the restaurant because of this virus going around. So I'm gonna go in there. There's a few shopping centers around here I may go in. I may poke inside of Ross and see if there's anything to flip on Amazon. I do want to get across the back across the bridge, go to Lombard Street, maybe even the Full House, pass by that Full House, and check it out. Don't know what the situation is with the I know parking's like crazy in San Francisco. So I may just do a drive-by and maybe film it as we go by. It's going to be kind of hard to do when you're driving in this traffic. And well, we'll find out what we're going to do. I definitely am going to do Lombard Street. It's easy. I'll just film it as I drive through the streets. Okay, so I'm back in the car eating Panda Express. I got some broccoli beef and some mushroom chicken, half and half. So I'm going to eat up as much as I can of this and head back over to San Francisco. Okay, Panda Express is not complete without the fortune cookie. So I'm going to break this thing open and see what's inside. Okay, so it says, live for today, remember yesterday, plan for tomorrow. So that really makes sense for today. Live for today, remember yesterday, the good old days of being able to go to the ballparks, eating in a restaurant. Plan for tomorrow. I know tough times are ahead, but you got to plan for tomorrow and be prepared. Pretty much a scout motto that I learned while I was in Boy Scouting. So I'm going to head over to see where I'm going to go. Maybe I'm going to go to Lombard and possibly the Full House. and then on to the stadium. So I'm gonna plan my map accordingly. It's like, here we go. Here we go. Down the streets. Down Lombard Street. Yep. Crossed another one off my bucket list. Yep. I'm getting that list checked off pretty good today. It wasn't that bad. Usually it's like a huge line. Just drive down this thing. Yep. I got one hand on the camera and one hand on my yeah. Everybody's taking pictures. Yep. It's going on YouTube. Yep. Which way do I go? It's a four-way stop, so I'm gonna go this way. Yep. And there's Alcatraz right over there. Can't reach the floor probably. Yeah, I'm heading over to the Full House house. I get to Jones Street. I believe I got to get to Jones Street. So it's going to be about 13.
Take the next left onto Jones Street.
So it's not that far away. I got plenty of time until I get to the garage for the batting practice. So I'm gonna just get
Continue
back to
on
the
Jones
road.
Street for 3/4 of a mile.
I believe it's somewhere around here somewhere. This is I think people are looking at me weird taking pictures of this 1715 Broderick. Somewhere around here is the Full House house. I don't know. I can't really see that well. But we are pretty close in this vicinity of the Full House house. Maybe I can get it on my when I'm looking at the video. So I'm gonna go. Okay, so this is the cable car. This is where the cable cars usually run. I don't think I see any cable cars going on. Looking behind me, nothing going on. It's just weird because I cram these people into the cable cars like sardines, and of course they can't do that right now. So I think they decided not to do the cable cars because I don't see a cable car in sight. I'm gonna be turning left. So I'm at Oracle Park right now, and I'm actually parking on the parking lot by City Kayak. If you can see it right there, City Kayak. They're not open during the week, but they are open. They do have I do have a rental at 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna have to find a place to park. I went to see if I can get a permit for this parking lot, but unfortunately they're not issuing permits right now because this beer virus going on and everything's closed. So I gotta hunt for a parking spot. It's 2:18 right now. I think they start batting practice around 3:30. So I got about an hour and change to spare to see if I can probably park at the 2 meter. I think I'll park at the meter parking and probably move the car. I don't know yet. I was looking at a parking garage down there, but that's closed too. I guess they don't want people parking here, going to the ballpark, or doing anything here. Okay. So I am good until 10:55. I paid just under $5 for this parking until 10:55 tonight. So that's pretty good. I thought I was going to pay more, so it's a win. Anything that I have to pay less is a win. Perfect. I'm looking down at the boardwalk right now. I can't really talk in these masks. I mean,
I don't know if you can really hear me, but I'm looking down at the boardwalk. It looks like there's quite a few people down there. I don't know if they're doing the same thing, like waiting for balls or stuff, but I'm going to try to get a ball during batting practice before I have to go on the kayak for the actual game. I was hoping that I'd be able to get on the kayak during the entire BP end of the game, but I couldn't do that because that's they're not very flexible with that, or the store's not open. It's only open like during the weekends and on Monday, so couldn't do that. Looks like we have a kayaker here. I don't know, it looks like he's on one of those inflatable kayaks. Doesn't look like McCovey Dave. I think McCovey Dave may come out soon, but I'll get a shot at him. He's very famous, an ex-HP employee that holds a record for catching splash hits. So I'll definitely point him out to you if I see him. Okay, so I am heading, gonna get some food to eat. It is a little past 5 o'clock. I do want to get food to eat, and so I can be ready for the kayak appointment at 6 o'clock. We will be going out before the game. It's going out till 8:30. So this mascot who was shooting something, I actually was able to get one of these things. I'm going to open it up when I get back to the shore, see what I got. So that was a nice souvenir, at least to get something for coming out here. Nice. Got a ball.
So I'm back from my trip to San Francisco today. I had a great day, going to the Golden Gate Bridge, across the Golden Gate Bridge, the viewpoint from the national park of the city and the bridge, and then going to Sausalito, taking a look at that town, nice little town, and then going back across and then going to Lombard Street, driving down Lombard Street, and then to the Full House. And then I went over to the ballpark, the Oracle Park, where the Giants play, and the Angels and Giants play together. The Giants beat the Angels, I think 7-1. So that was a really good game. I went to the boardwalk for batting practice, see if any balls came over. Didn't really see any balls that came over. And then I went to rent a kayak with City Kayak. Went out there for a couple of hours, got a ball, got this ball, and then another souvenir that they shot out, the mascot shot out, and to kayakers, I got one. So all in all, it was a great day. I got a ball and another souvenir, and mission accomplished for that. So I'm going to end the video today. I want to say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button, it lets me know you care. And leave comments below, let me know what you liked and what you like about San Francisco and what I could do better. Even hit the dislike button, I mean, because it helps me out either way. If you don't like any part of this video. I want to thank you for watching this video and have a great day.